Keto Friendly chicken wrap cheeseburger or Cordon Burgers. First step we're going to do is we're going to flatten out 4 gigantic chicken breasts and get them thin enough for wrapping. Cheddar that I shredded, some American. Pound of meat, we're going to separate it into 4 equal parts. White pepper, just a little bit of salt and pepper. Now, this doesn't have to be pressed and formed because it's going to be folded and then put inside the chicken. What we are going to do here is get our cheese first. So the shredded cheese. Take the American cheese, just like that. Cheese. Now, chicken. Put the American side of cheese down to try to help it prevent from leaking out. Now, with our toothpicks, try to secure this a little bit. Just remember the amount of toothpicks that you put into the chicken or use to secure them. Once the dish is done, you'll be able to safely remove all of the toothpicks and make sure that there are none that you missed. Okay? Then this is ready to be put aside. Let's do all the rest of these. A few tablespoons of flour. I'm going to use pancake mix. Put in paprika. A little bit of garlic salt. Mix that up or give it a good whisk. A light flour coating all over. You could even do cordon bleu cheeseburgers where you add a little bit of ham and then Swiss instead of the cheddar. That would work too. Okay, there we go. That's ready. Stick about a half cup, 8 tablespoons. Get that in there, let it start to melt. Okay, take this, and then we're going to brown it on all sides. Okay, we're going to take it, put it in, flip it, fry it on both sides, and then we're going to reduce the heat. Now that we've got it started and that running lightly brown, or the flour lightly browned on all sides, okay, what we're going to take is we're going to take 2 teaspoons approximately of beef bouillon. We're going to take a half cup of wine, little wine for me, a little wine for the chicken, a little more wine for me, a little more wine for the chicken, about a half cup plus. Then we're going to cover and reduce the heat. Let it sit for 30 minutes. There's my slurry. Cup and a half of half and half, a tablespoon of cornstarch. A little above 165, like home. So I'll take this chicken out and remove the toothpicks. Now take this slurry of the half and half of cornstarch. Come to a low simmer. As soon as it starts to thicken, there's the gravy to pour over it. Now you can serve this with gravy poured over the top, or you can use the gravy for potatoes and or biscuits, some kind of bread. That is pretty damn good. It's great to dip bread in. Enjoy.
Isn't that delicious? Thank you. Okay, subscribe and like the video. It helps with the algorithm. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time.